Step-by-step guide on how to do crunches correctly and safely. 1. Lie flat on your back on an exercise mat. Bend your knees about 90 degrees with feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Cross your arms over your chest or place your fingertips lightly behind your ears. Don't pull on your neck. 2. Engage your core. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your abdominal muscles by pulling your belly button in toward your spine. Lift your upper body. Exhale as you slowly lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the floor. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat. Don't lift it. Your gaze should be toward the ceiling, not your knees. Or pause at the top. Hold the crunch for 1 to 2 seconds, feeling the tension in your abs. 5. Lower back down. Inhale as you gently lower your upper body back to the mat with control. 6. Repeat. Do 10 to 20 reps for 2 to 3 sets, depending on your fitness level. Tips for proper form. Keep movement slow and controlled, not jerky. Don't pull on your neck. Your abs should lift your body. Focus on using your core muscles, not momentum. Breathe out when you lift, and breathe in when you lower. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.